Did you know that 70 million people in the US suffer from digestive diseases? Yes, your gut health is more crucial than you might think. Our gut, often overlooked, plays a vital role in our overall health and wellness. It's not just about digestion, it's about mood, mental health, immune response, and even the risk of serious illness. Imagine it as the command center of your body, with its complex network of bacteria and other microorganisms known as the gut microbiome. This system is involved in everything from nutrient absorption to immune function. And when it's out of balance, the ripple effects can be significant. Conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, inflammatory bowel disease, and even obesity and mental health disorders can stem from poor gut health. Yet, despite its importance, gut health remains an issue that many of us are unaware of or choose to ignore. It's clear that gut health is not a topic we can ignore. So how can we improve it? Let's dive into our first tip: probiotics. They are often called good bacteria for a reason. Probiotics are live bacteria and yeasts that are beneficial to your health, especially your digestive system. We usually think of bacteria as harmful, but our bodies are full of bacteria, both good and bad. Probiotics are the good or friendly bacteria because they help maintain a healthy balance in your digestive system. Imagine your gut as a bustling cityscape, with millions of inhabitants living in harmony. Probiotics are the peacekeepers of this vibrant city, ensuring that the harmful bacteria don't outnumber the beneficial ones. They help keep the city, or in this case, your gut, functioning smoothly. Probiotics also play a crucial role in breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. They can aid in the digestion of certain foods that the body cannot digest on its own. They take the food you eat and transform it into vital nutrients that your body needs to function optimally. So, where can you find these good bacteria? Well, probiotics are naturally found in your body, but you can also get them from certain foods and supplements. Yogurt, for instance, is one of the best sources of probiotics. It's produced by bacterial fermentation of milk, a process that encourages the growth of beneficial bacteria. Other sources include fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, and kombucha. But remember, not all probiotics are created equal. Different strains of probiotics serve different purposes, and what works for one person might not work for another. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before starting a probiotic regimen. Incorporating probiotics into your diet is not a one-stop solution, but it's a great first step towards achieving a healthier gut. Think of it as adding a team of microscopic superheroes to your gut, fighting off the bad guys and keeping everything in balance. So, incorporating probiotics into your diet can be a game changer for your gut health. Now, on to our second tip, but it's something you should avoid: stress. It's no surprise that stress is a universal adversary to health, and our gut is no exception. The gut, often referred to as our second brain, is highly sensitive to stress. This is due to the intricate network of neurons and chemicals that communicate between the gut and the brain, known as the gut-brain axis. Stress can disrupt this delicate equilibrium, negatively impacting your gut health. How does this happen? When we're stressed, our body goes into fight-or-flight mode, a survival mechanism designed to deal with immediate threats. During this response, blood flow is diverted from the digestive system to our muscles, preparing us for action. Over time, chronic stress can lead to imbalances in our gut bacteria or microbiota, leading to a range of digestive issues such as bloating, constipation, or diarrhea. Moreover, stress can increase the permeability of the gut lining, a condition often termed as leaky gut. This allows harmful substances to leak into the bloodstream, triggering inflammation and potentially leading to autoimmune diseases. The good news? There are several methods to manage stress and, in turn, protect your gut health. Incorporating mind-body techniques such as mindfulness, meditation, and yoga can be beneficial. Even simple activities like taking a walk in nature, reading a book, or spending time with loved ones can help reduce stress levels. Nutrition also plays a vital role. Consuming a balanced, nutrient-rich diet can help nourish the gut and build resilience against stress. Certain foods known as adaptogens, such as ashwagandha and holy basil, have been found to help the body cope with stress. Lastly, getting enough sleep is crucial. Sleep deprivation can exacerbate stress and disrupt the balance of gut bacteria. So, ensure you're getting those 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. Before we move on, let's take a deep breath. Exhale the stress, inhale peace. It's not just about what you eat, but also how you live. Remember, a calm mind often leads to a calm gut. Our third tip is all about variety, a diverse diet. Picture a party, a gathering of sorts. Now imagine this gathering being inside your gut. And the guests? They're the trillions of bacteria that call it home. Your gut, like this party, thrives on diversity. It craves a mix of different characters, each bringing their unique attributes to the table. And just as you'd cater to different tastes at a party, a diverse diet caters to the varying needs of these gut bacteria. Think of it this way. Different foods provide different types of beneficial bacteria, and your gut needs a mix of these to function at its best. It's like a symphony, where every instrument plays a critical role. Remove one, and the harmony is disturbed. For instance, fibrous foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains act as a buffet for your gut bacteria, providing them with the nutrients they need to thrive. On the other hand, fermented foods like yogurt and kimchi introduce new types of bacteria into your gut, increasing its diversity. But why is this diversity so crucial? Well, a diverse gut microbiome has been linked to numerous health benefits, from improved digestion and enhanced immune function to better mood and even weight management. It's a bit like having an army with different types of soldiers, each skilled in their unique way, ready to protect your health. However, it's not just about what you eat, it's also about when and how often you eat. Regular meals help maintain the diversity of your gut microbiome, while erratic eating habits can disrupt it. So the next time you're planning your meals, think variety. Include a mix of different foods, all colors of the rainbow. Not just for the sake of your palate, but for the happiness of your gut too. Because remember, the more diverse your diet, the more diverse your gut microbiota, and the better your overall health. It's simple, a diverse diet equals a happy gut. We are not done yet. We have 2 more innovative gut health tips for you. Now let's dive into the world of regular exercise and its relation to our gut health. It might surprise some of you, but exercise isn't just about sculpting your body or boosting your cardiovascular health. It plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy gut as well. How so, you might ask? Well, engaging in regular physical activity enhances the diversity of your gut bacteria, which is a key factor in overall gut health. It doesn't have to be strenuous. Even a brisk walk or some light yoga can do wonders. So the next time you're about to skip your workout, remember, it's not just your muscles you're letting down, but your gut too. Now on to our final tip, hydration. You've probably heard the phrase water is life, but did you know it's also life for your gut? Staying adequately hydrated is essential for gut health. Water aids in digestion and nutrient absorption and helps maintain the lining of your intestines. It also facilitates the passage of waste, preventing constipation, which can lead to an unhappy gut. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. But remember, requirements can vary based on factors like age, climate, and physical activity levels. These 2 tips may seem simple, but they are often overlooked. Regular exercise and adequate hydration can work wonders for your gut health. They help in maintaining the diversity and balance of your gut bacteria, aid in digestion, and promote overall gut health. So with these tips, you have a comprehensive strategy for boosting your gut health. Remember, good gut health is not a destination, but a continuous journey. It's about making small, consistent changes to your lifestyle. And trust me, your gut will thank you for it. Let's recap what we've learned today. We've delved into the fascinating world of gut health, unearthing 10 innovative tips that can help us take control of our digestive wellness. We discovered the immense benefits of probiotics, friendly bacteria that help maintain a healthy gut environment. We also highlighted the harmful effect of stress on our gut and discussed ways to manage it effectively. We emphasized the importance of a diverse diet, rich in various types of fiber, to nurture the wide range of beneficial bacteria in our gut. Lastly, we explored 2 other valuable tips: the role of hydration and the impact of mindful eating on our gut health. Each of these strategies offers a unique way to enhance and maintain our gut health, contributing to our overall well-being. Remember, a healthy gut is the foundation for a healthy body and mind. Improving your gut health can significantly enhance your overall well-being. So why wait? Start today. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Don't hesitate to show your appreciation by giving this video a thumbs up and sharing it with others who might benefit from these innovative gut health tips. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content on gut health. We'd love to hear about your own experiences or tips, so feel free to share them in the comments section. Remember, your journey to better gut health starts with a single step. Take that step today.